Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing unboxing and review of a power bank which is of iball company. So as you can see, this iball power bank is of 10,000 mAh capacity, and this I bought from Flipkart for 300 rupees only in the big billion days. So it has just delivered today, and I'll be doing unboxing of it and a quick review of it also. So as you can see, my friend, it looks somewhat like this. It shows the power bank over here, and from the back you can see the details of it. Let me just show you all the things. And it has a dual output port for both input plus output, so that's a really good thing which you're getting. So from the side you can see the real MRP of it is around 1600. Let me just focus it and show you. Yeah, as you can see that 1599. So that's a real MRP, but I have got it for around 300 rupees in the big billion days. So just let me open it now. They put some tapes in it. Let me open it. I felt like it was really cheap, so I bought it. So thought of doing a review of it. So here you can see the unboxing feel. So this is the power bank, as you can see, and this is the USB cable, and this is the user manual, as you can see. So you get three things: one is a user manual, one is a USB cable, and other one is the power bank itself. So as you can see, the power bank looks really good. Just let me keep all the things access aside and let's show you things. So this is the power bank, the actual product. As you can see, it's really good and slim. For 10,000 mAh capacity, it looks really nice also. And as you can see, there are two ports and two ports for the input also. One is a USB type C, which is really great, and other one is a normal micro USB type. And these are the two output ports, as you can see, which is really good. And this is, as you can see, they have written out 1 in, out 2, so that's good. So the look and feel looks really nice. As you can see, it has somewhat like Kevlar back thing, this pattern on this, which makes it really good. And the grip is also really nice. As it is a plastic product, it should be okay product, I think so. And as you can see, this is the power button. So just check the battery. Now the battery is full, as you can see. So it is full now, so no need to charge right now. And the look and feel looks really nice. First impression looks very good, and some details are written over here. Yeah, now you can be able to see. So it has written the output is around 5 volt at 2.4 amps. So okay, somewhat fast charger only, I think. And the output is 5 volt at 2.4 amps, and the input is 5 volt at 2.1 amps. Okay, and so good only, no problem. So this, and it is slim also, as you can see. So from the bottom, from the side view, yeah. So just let us check now how is the power bank working or no. So let me use the included cable in it. So this is the cable, and this good length only enough for the power bank to charge. So cable quality also looks really nice, as you can see. Just let me show you. Yeah, they have given a type, not type C. Actually, they have given normal micro USB. If they are giving type C, it'll be very good. So just let me try to charge now. Just let me insert this in any one of the USB port. Yeah, so I've inserted over here, and just let me take a device to charge. So this is a Geo phone which I'll be using to test. So I'll insert it now. As you can see, this is charging. Just let me show you. Yeah, it is charging now, and it shows and that LED signal also. So yeah, it charges, it works. So this power bank is really good for me now. It would be very helpful for me. I was thinking to buy a power bank for so long, but now I've got it at a really good deal, so it's really nice for me. So this was unboxing and review of iball 10,000 mAh power bank, which I bought from Flipkart. So if you liked my video, please like and subscribe my channel. It helps me to make more and more such videos.